So my topic is Rizal's early education. Rizal received his first lessons from his mother Chidora at home. He learned basic reading, writing, prayers, and good manners from his mother. So, yang mama mo'y unang gatudlo niya pagsulat, pagbasa, pangadji o good manners. Later, he was sent to Binyan, Laguna to become his formal education. So, ipadala siya sa Binyan, Laguna para ito na formally muskwela. In Binyan, Laguna, he studied under Maestro Justiniano Aquino Cruz. So, muna iyang iyang maestro or professor. He learned subjects such as reading, writing, Latin, and other basic studies. So, mas na-improve pa niya ang pagsulat, pagbasa, and ng other language like Latin and basic studies. Rizal was diligent study and show strong interest in learning. So, ganahan gud siya makabalo pa ug madugangan pa ang iyang mga nabal-an. Then, his early education prepared him for his later studies at Ateneo Municipal de Manila and University of Santo Tomas. So, anang iyang pag-eskwela og sayo pagtudlos ang ginikanan mas na-prepared gud siya para mag-eskwela na sa Ateneo Municipality de Manila ug sa University of Santo Tomas. His education became an important foundation for his development as a writer, scholar, and reformist. So, mas nagamit ko niya ang pag-eskwela, mas na-develop pa gud niya ang pagsulat og mga libro,